Hello guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create custom URL for your YouTube channel. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to go into the YouTube channel and then you need to click on customize channel. This is my channel, so I'm going to show you how you can add custom URL. Then you need to go into the basic info. Here you can see that the channel URL, and this is the option of set a custom URL. Click on that, and this is my channel custom URL. Now I'm going to add any, so you can see that this is my custom URL. So what are the requirement to add custom URL? So you need 100 or more subscriber, at least 30 days old your YouTube channel, uploaded profile picture and uploaded a banner. So I fulfill the all requirements, so now I am able to add custom URL. Once you click on publish, the YouTube channel URL is changed, so you can have the custom URL for your YouTube channel. I hope by following these steps you can easily add custom URL for your YouTube channel. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.